on.
Hi guys, and today we're going to be reviewing slimes.
And we also have a guest,
We
called
also have
Max.
Max.
And welcome back to Slime Sisters, of course.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
And add a comment below how great you think this is.
This is the
So we will be blindfolding.
Hey, you got about my slime. We're going to be blindfolding ourselves, and then we are going to pick a slime, but we don't know which one it is. And then we'll open our eyes, and then we'll see it.
We'll review it. So we're going to go up and get my sleeping eyes thingies so we can blindfold each
You
other.
go upstairs, will I hold camera?
No, I'll bring it up. Right, so. We're coming up. Now we are up the stairs and it is very dark. Good, not light. Here we go, isn't that the cutest? Just the cutest. Okay, let's see them. They're so funny. See them. Here we are.
Evan.
Right, so I'm up first. I've got to blind myself and someone else will take the camera.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, so
Hello.
I've got quite a good feeling about this. I'm so... Oh, there's a jiggly one and I think it's orange. All right, so let's see. Oh, yeah, this one. Oh, my favorite.
Could I see it? That's so cool.
I'm going to be reviewing this. So this is a slime I made just all white with every single...
Oh, and I'm
ingredient
next.
Here. Every single ingredient over here. See it over here. Every single ingredient over there.
And this is my slime that we're not using in today's video.
And I used every single layer. It used to be like as small as this. Even smaller like that size. But now it's massive. Alright, so... let's put this slime down.